Next data structure we will check, that is tuple. Now see, tuple just like a list with only one difference, that lists are mutable one. Means we can add elements to list, we can remove elements from list, length of list we can change. But in case of tuple, it is used to store immutable Python object. Tuple is immutable. Tuple is immutable. It means we cannot add elements to tuple, cannot remove elements from tuple, we cannot change the length of tuple. All other operations regarding with tuple and list are same. Only difference is that list is mutable, tuple is immutable. See how we can create a tuple here. In case of tuple, we are using parentheses instead of square brackets. So this is a tuple. Tuple, you can use different data types while creating tuple here, like string, fraction number. A tuple itself can contain another tuple or another list also, like this. This is tuple. If you print this tuple, it will get printed like this. You want to access individual elements, that is once again same like list, string we have seen. If you want to go with range, every other thing regarding with tuple is same like a list. Means like suppose if you want to access, if you want to traverse this tuple, so you can traverse it like this, every individual element like this here. If you want to check the length of tuple, you can say, you can use length function that we have seen in string and list. So what exactly is the difference? Difference is this: when you go for methods of tuple, you can't find any method like append, can't find any method like remove, can't find any method like add, so which suggests that you can't change the length of tuple. If you want to say something like this, t of 0 is equal to 45, it will produce an error because you can't change the content of tuple, because tuple is immutable. So if you understand this thing, that tuple is immutable and list is mutable, all things are baki, all things remain same in case of tuple and list. So we'll just understand that these things remain same, so we'll not go in details of tuple once again. What we'll check is difference between list and tuple. So first difference is syntactical difference, that while creating list we are using square brackets, while creating tuple we are using parentheses. Second difference, which is the main difference, that is list is mutable, tuple is immutable. List, we can change the length of list, so list has a variable length, tuple as it is immutable, you can't change length, so fixed length. Obviously list is mutable, so it is having more functionality than tuple, and tuple provides less functionality because it is of fixed length. List is used in scenario in which we need to store the simple collection with no constraints, where the value of the items can be changed. Tuple is used in cases where we need to store the read-only collection, that is important word, read-only, that is the value of the items cannot be changed, it can be used as the key inside the dictionary. So dictionary and keys and all that we'll see in that is our next data structure. But understand tuple, it's a collection like a list, with one major difference, that tuple is immutable, it is of fixed length, you can't change the content of tuple.